welcome back on my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how I did this one right here. It's pretty easy. I know I always say that, okay? I always said it's easy and people tell me to shut up. But I'm gonna show you all the steps to recreate this one and you will see it's easy. So if you want to know how to recreate this bold purple look, just go see the steps. So first step is to prime my face, and I'm gonna use my Cover FX illuminating primer. And I go right after priming my eyes with my Jessie Girl eyeshadow primer. And I go very gentle under my eyes. So for my foundation, I will go with this one right here from Tarte. The drop thing doesn't really work with mine, so I'm trying, but oh, I have a little bit in my mouth. Oh damn. I forget to wet my beauty sponge. Oops. Coming back. Now I have a beauty sponge that is wet, so I can go on my foundation. I'm just gonna dab the product into my skin. After that, I'm taking my concealer and I will use my Anastasia Beverly Hills concealer in the color number 1 because I'm pale. And I'm just gonna take a flat brush for a concealer and go under my eyes. Ooh, I look pretty! After that, I'm taking again my beauty sponge and I'm just gonna go wet my beauty sponge with my fixing spray. After that, I'm gonna go with my Bye Bye Pores by Hit Cosmetics. Yeah, and I broke it because I'm good. I dropped everything on the floor and every time I broke all my stuff. So I'm just gonna grab a brush and go right under my eyes. And I have a little tricks that is right after my foundation, my concealer and my loose powder. Yeah, there's a lot of products. I'm using my fixing spray again and my beauty blender, and I'm just gonna go spray that on my face. And with my beauty blender, I'm just gonna go press all the products together to help your makeup to have a natural finish look. So if you want to look natural with all of this makeup on your face, that's my little tips for you. And I will go for my brows. And as always, I'm using my pencil from Anastasia Beverly Hills in soft brown. So now my brows are done and I'm gonna go for my eyes. So I'm gonna start with my first palette that I will use today, my Hudabeauty in the color Mauve Obsessions, and I'm just taking this middle color right here with a blending brush and I will go in my crease. I don't want the color to be too much intense, so I'm just taking a little bit and I'm creating circles with my brush. Okay, so I only using one color in this palette and I go right after with the principal one. This one from Makeup Forever in the number 3. That's the palette number 3. And the first color that I will take is this one right here. What is the name? Oh. And I will go all over my lid with this color. I'm going back to the first palette, my Hudabeauty one, and I'm taking again the same color with a brush. I'm just gonna go under my eyes. Back again with my other palette from Makeup Forever. I know, it's getting complicated. I know. I'm gonna take this color right there, this dark purple, and with a small angle brush, I'm just gonna go under my eyes in my waterline. And I'm gonna drag this color a little bit into the other one. I know it's a little complicated, but you will see, you will see. You will understand, okay? So, right in the external corner of my eyes, I will put a little bit more of the color to be more intense. And I will drag it a little bit more lower. And just at the end of my eyes, the external corner, I'm just gonna create a little line. You see, just like this. It's like you create a wing, but it's not really a wing. Am I clear? And again, with my smudging brush, I'm just gonna go smudge the two colors together. And after that, I'm gonna take my fixing spray and a small but teeny brush, a round brush, and I'm just gonna go in this beautiful purple right here. And with this color, I'm gonna go in the internal corner of my eyes, and I will make my eyes pop. One of my eyes is so red, I look like I smoke crack. Shabam! That's it. My eyes are almost done. I just need to put some mascara on, so I'm just gonna go for my Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. And my false lashes from Hudabeauty in number 8, Scarlet. Ba-bang! I'm back with my false lashes and I'm intense. Let's just say that this one are intense. You know, you still can use another pair of false lashes. Okay. So now that my eyes look like a drag queen, I'm just gonna go for the rest of my face. I'm gonna start with my Too Faced bronzer. Let's give a little bit of sun to this face. I love bronzing my face. It's like it is summer, but it ain't. It's just lying to myself, but that's okay. Okay? I'm tired. It's cold out here, okay? I just want the summer to come back. Thank you. I'm gonna fake it, okay? I'm gonna fake that it's summer outside. Okay, so let's go for some blush and giving life to my face. I'm gonna go with my Smashbox LA Lights. And I'm just gonna go and take this one right here. And this color is True Pink. So let's give some pink. Oh! And I'm gonna take this color right here. This is the Rich Pink, and it's a highlight, so I'm just gonna go just highlighting a little bit. Just a little bit on the tip of my nose. Like this. Oh, way too much. Okay, for the lips I'm gonna go more neutral, so I'm just gonna take my lip pencil from Gush in the color number 1. I'm gonna go on top with my gloss from bareminerals. This one is in the color Trailblazer. And as always, I'm fixing everything in place with my fixing spray from Kate Von D. This is it, guys. This is the final result. I hope you enjoy it, and I know it's a pretty bold, intense look, but if you change the false lashes for something less drama queen, well, everything will be less intense. Just a little bit less intense, okay? And if you want to see more of this kind of video, you just need to come back on my YouTube channel. So on this, have a good day. See you next time. Bye. And with a small angle, it's so cold out here. My Too Faced, it hurts so much. Ouch. I swear, it's easy. It's easy.